Winter gloves that do it all. Isotoner Mya. Touchscreen ready, waterproof, and faux fur fabulous. Do your gloves leave you frustrated with poor touchscreen compatibility or soggy hands in the rain? Are you tired of sacrificing style for warmth? Meet the Isotoner Mya Microsuede Gloves, the ultimate winter solution. Designed with smartDri water-repellent technology, smartTouch touchscreen compatibility, and a luxurious faux fur cuff, these gloves promise to keep you warm, dry, and connected. But do they really deliver? Let's embark on a quest to find the perfect winter gloves and see if Isotoner can rise to the challenge. Finding gloves that balance warmth, functionality, and style is no easy feat. Many gloves fail to keep hands dry or struggle with touchscreen use. Isotoner's Mya gloves, however, are a standout. The four-way stretch fleece ensures flexibility, while the fleece lining provides unmatched warmth. The smartTouch technology lets you use your phone effortlessly, and the smartDri technology repels water like a pro. But can they handle real-world winter conditions? Let's put them to the test. Isotoner's Mya gloves are a winter essential. The recycled microsuede material is soft, durable, and eco-friendly, while the faux fur cuff adds a touch of sophistication. The smartTouch technology ensures you can text, scroll, and swipe without removing your gloves, and the smartDri technology keeps your hands dry in wet conditions. Plus, the easy care design means you can hand wash and air dry them to maintain their fresh look. It's not just a glove, it's a winter game changer. Customers love the Isotoner Mya gloves for their warmth, softness, and stylish design. The touchscreen compatibility works flawlessly, and the water-repellent feature keeps hands dry in snowy or rainy weather. Compared to other gloves, Isotoner stands out for its combination of functionality, durability, and style. Whether you're shoveling snow or heading to a holiday party, these gloves deliver. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Isotoner Mya Microsuede Gloves are your ticket to staying warm, dry, and connected all winter long. With their touchscreen magic, water-repellent technology, and chic faux fur cuff, they're a must-have for any cold weather wardrobe. Don't let winter hold you back. Grab your Isotoner gloves today and step into the season with confidence and style.